and acted in a manner to the serious detriment of the dignity of the House. Honorable members, I wish to advise you that we need at all times to observe decorum in the House and the dignity of the House. Honorable members, as your Speaker, I'm saddened at what I've witnessed this afternoon. I have consistently refrained myself from invoking standing orders relating to the discipline of the House. Following what has happened this afternoon, I want to direct as follows. The following members, having flouted the standing orders of the House by menacing each other, shouting at the chair, and making all manner of unprintable utterances, I will invoke the provisions of Standing Order 107A, grossly disorderly conduct. The following members are guilty of grossly disorderly conduct. Number 1, Millie Odhiambo. Number 2, Rosa Buyu. Number 3, Sabina Chege. Number 4, Fatuma Muyanzi. Number 5, Catherine Omanyo. Number 6, Joyce Kamene. And lastly, TJ Kajwang. Those members, honorable members, Standing Order 107.3 reads as follows. The Speaker may call a member whose conduct is grossly disorderly to order, and shall order the member to withdraw immediately from the presence of Parliament for a maximum of 5 days and a maximum of 28 days. The following members will suffer the following fate. Millie Odhiambo, 2 weeks. Rosa Buyu, 2 weeks. Fatuma Muyanzi, 5 days. Catherine Omanyo, 5 days. Joyce Kamene, 2 sittings. TJ Kajwang, 2 weeks. Sabina Chege, 2 weeks. Sergeant, can you have those members out of the chamber? Yes. What's the point of order? Murugara?
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, we were in the middle of debating the motion on the budget estimates. And most of the members have spoken and they're in agreement and in support. Under Standing Order number 95, I do apply to you, the Speaker, to allow the mover to reply.